Kitchen floor cleaning, made simple with just a spread. Here's how to use the Quick Master floor cleaner with a bucket. Prepare the Quick Master floor cleaner along with a broom, dustpan, and bucket. First, remove debris using a broom and dustpan. Next, prepare a diluted Quick Master floor cleaner solution in the bucket. When using a bucket, dilute it 40 to 60 times. By using the Karo separately salt measuring pump, you can accurately prepare the diluted solution. Using the bucket, spread the diluted Quick Master floor cleaner solution over the entire kitchen floor. Simply letting the diluted cleaner reach areas that are hard to access, such as under work tables or equipment where brushes can't reach, will effectively clean them. After spreading, no rinsing is required. There is no need to wash away with water, with the slope of the kitchen floor that lifted together with the diluted Quick Master solution flows to the drain, leaving the surface to dry naturally. Kitchen floor cleaning made simple with just a spread. Quick Master floor cleaner.